Hi all, I am Shankar Prasad Dotto, a professional architect. Welcome to today's session of building plan preparation under basic design. Discipline architecture, subject basic design, topic building plan. In this connection, I would like to explain the meaning of architecture in a single sentence. That is, architecture is the perception of space within a building. Building plan. How to prepare. Building. Select the type. Building type. Residential. Set the requirements as per residential building. Requirements. Number 1, entrance lobby. Number 2, living area. Number 3, dining area. Number 4, kitchen. Number 5, bedroom 1. Number 6, bedroom 2. Number 7, toilets. Number 8, veranda. Number 9, stair. Number 10, puja space. Look at the site. The site is 15 meter by 12 meter. 15 meter is on the roadside. Here, the areas shown in green color are the mandatory open spaces as per municipal rule. Central white portion of the site is the available area for building. North direction shows below the site. Dimensions in meter. Prepare bubble diagram. Bubbles are indicating spaces as per requirements. Sizes of bubble indicates proportionate area of spaces. Look at the diagram. Starting from entrance lobby to living, dining, kitchen, from living to veranda, from living to bedroom 1 and 2, then toilets, from entrance lobby to the other side, stair and puja spaces. Bubble diagram represents interrelationship between spaces. Prepare line plan. Freehand sketch of line plan prepared on the basis of site condition, orientation, bubble diagram. Look at the sketch plan. This is the square shape type building plan. Here the different spaces like entrance lobby, living, dining, kitchen, veranda, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, toilets, stairs, puja, etc. are indicated. Develop line plan. Select a scale, say 1:50. Draw line plan in this scale. Add brick walls and columns. Locate doors and windows. Add dimensions. Place furnitures for showing space utilization. This is final plan, ground floor plan of a single-storied residential building. Here the different spaces like lobby, living room, dining, kitchen, veranda, bedroom 1, toilets, bedroom 2, stair, space for cycle or scooter parking, and the puja room above the parking, which is accessible from mid-landing of the stair. The different spaces with furniture layouts which illustrating the utilization of space. Doors and windows have been located, dimensions have been given. Outer walls are of 250 mm thick and the internal partition walls are of 125 mm thick. All the walls have been indicated with red color along with the intermediate reinforced cement concrete columns. This is east side elevation, means the geometrical elevation of the building which is visible from east side, road side of the site. In this elevation, the main entrance, window of the dining area, window of the kitchen areas are visible. On the other side of main entrance, parking area is visible, and above parking area, puja room is visible. Beyond this puja room, staircase roof is visible. All the vertical dimensions have been given. Elevation means the outer look of the building in the geometrical manner. Process summary. Identify the type of building, set requirements as per type, look at site, prepare bubble diagram, prepare line plan, develop line plan, finalize plan and draw it, draw elevation. Dear students, I hope now you are able to prepare building plan, and I also hope lots of solutions will come out depending upon your imagination power. Thank you.